In this video, I will show you how to create this professional people infographic for your PowerPoint presentation. You can use this infographic to visualize data about people and demographics. First, you go to Insert in the ribbon and open the Shapes tab. Here, you select the rectangle rounded corner shape, and this will be the body of your person. Copy this shape twice. With one of the shapes, you will create an arm. With the other shape, you create a leg. Duplicate these and place them at the right spot. After that, you go to Insert in the ribbon again and go to the Shapes tab again. Here, you choose the oval shape and place it where the head should be. Now it's time to use this shape to create a hole in a rectangle. You want to select all the parts of your person and go to Shape Format in the ribbon. Here, you go to Merge Shapes and click on Union. This will combine all the loose shapes into one big shape. Go to Insert in the ribbon and go to the Shapes tab. Select a rectangle shape and place it on your slide. And make sure the rectangle is bigger than your person. Put this rectangle all the way to the back by right-clicking on it and click on Send to Back. Place your person on the rectangle. After you placed your person on the rectangle, you want to select the rectangle first and then the person, in that order, and go to the Shape Format in the ribbon. Here you go to Merge Shapes and you click on Subtract, and now we will animate it. I will add a text box first, but you can do whatever you want. After that, you go to Insert in the ribbon and go to the Shapes tab. Select a rectangle shape and put it to the back by right-clicking on it. Place it behind the rectangle with the hole in it and make sure the height is as high as the percentage as you want. In my case, I will make it go to about 50%. Click on the newest rectangle and go to Animations in the ribbon. Here, you choose an entrance animation. I will add the stretch animation, but the wipe animation can work as well. I will add a small animation to the text as well. I open the animation pane, right-click on the animation of the text and click on Start After Previous. At last, you want to customize your infographic by changing colors and changing fonts. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.